In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Trello API token. It's a straightforward process that will complete in just around 5 minutes. So, to get started, the first thing you want to do is head over to Trello's website. Once there, you'll see the option to log in. Click on that, and it will present you with several choices. For this tutorial, let's use the Google method. Click on Google and select the account that you want to associate with your Trello to log in. Next, you'll have to navigate to Trello's PowerUps administration page. In the address bar of your browser, type in https://trello.com powerups admin. This URL takes you directly to where you can create and manage Trello powerups, which are essentially custom features or integrations that augment your Trello boards. Once you're on that page, your next move is to click on the New button. This action will lead you to a form where you'll need to fill in specific details for your new power-up or integration. You'll be asked to provide a range of information. Make sure you take a moment here to fill these fields out accurately, because this ensures you get the setup right. A couple of important details that you'll need to double check are your website information and your email address. This is crucial because any errors here might cause issues later down the line when you try to use your API key or integrate your power-up with other systems. Once you're sure everything looks good, go ahead and click on the Create button. After you've created your power-up, look for the API key tab. This is where the magic happens. Clicking on that tab will direct you to the section where you can generate a new API key. You should see an option that says Generate a new API key. By clicking on it, you'll initiate the process of API key generation. Once your API key appears, it's essential to copy it somewhere safe. This step is more than just copying information. It's about safeguarding access to potentially sensitive data and operations on your Trello boards. It makes all the difference, especially if you plan on integrating with other services or applications. And that's it. Now you have your Trello API key ready to use for your projects or integrations. Thanks for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions or run into any issues along the way.